Alright guys, welcome back for cleaning of sterling silver. Here are the ingredients you need. Boiling hot water. This is the cheap thin aluminum, so I folded it in three. So if you have the thick one, two should be good enough. So I'm just going to submerge it in there. Boiling water. It's almost at boiling temperature. So I think that'll do right now. I should have bowled it up a little bit, but you know what? Oh, I'm not even facing in that direction. Alright, there you go. So I put the aluminum in there. Now I will be adding the baking soda and then the salt. A little baking soda and a little salt. Yeah, that baby's boiling. Alright, and then I'll get to the silver after. But let's just do this part. Okay, so it is boiling. I got some baking soda. And I could put a little more than that. Hold on. That's good. Yeah. So I think about 5 spoons. I'm just doing it by eye. Oh, and a little salt. That's good. Alright, I'm boiling. Alright, that's good, baby. Oh, I gotta stir this up a little. Yeah. Alright, let's grab pieces. Is this weighted? Yes. I'm not doing the weighted stuff. I have to break. Just realized I have to break that stuff. How about this one? Let's see what it does. This is the before picture. Look at all the toning and tarnishing. Bye-bye. You'll be my first sample. Wow, it is cleaning. You can see it immediately. Let that son of a bee boil. That was the before. Actually, I can just use a cup next to it because they're pretty much all toned the same. So you can see the yellow. Let's see if this actually works. My first time doing it. Oh, I found this pot in the garbage, by the way. I will be scrapping it after this. Not using any of my household stuff for the nasty, science experiment. But, yeah, so this will be going to scrap. That's why I'm just trying to clean all the silver today. And we're going to compare the two. I'll put it. You can see the white. Actually, the white plate is a good background. Alright, it's been about a minute. Hey, it looks white. Alright, doesn't it? Okay, good. Yeah, I don't want it to. I don't think 450 degrees. Actually, it might be at like 800. I don't know. Boiling? No, boiling. Well, probably beyond boiling at this point. More heat has been applied. But yeah. It's cleaning, I guess. Right? Alright. Let's compare the two. Any difference there? A little bit. Not much. Let's see the inside. A little bit. Let's see. Just add a little more baking soda. This thing is heavy. Of course I get the biggest one. There you go. Baking soda, right? Yeah, baking soda. Hammer. Yeah. There, that went all out. works. That side looks good. Yeah, that's more like it. Come on, aluminum foil. Activate. Come on. Alright, looks shiny. Skunked up in some areas. It's years of tarnish and toning. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it cleaned it up a little. Not by much. Should I continue? I don't know. This thing is super hot. You can taste the thing on it. Alright, we'll do the other cup. Yeah, I guess it's a little cleaner. I do have the polish. You can see the hole mark on it. Before you really couldn't. What do you guys think? Did it do the trick? It's like right to the brim. Oh yeah, look at that. That's how you know it's clean. I think you have to put it right up against the aluminum foil. Yeah, the foil's the trick. Holy shit. I don't want this thing blowing up in my face. Well, thank God I deal with a lot of heat at work for many years, so I'm comfortable near torches and fire. Enough where I know what distance to keep. But this is like another type of chemistry project here. Yeah, look at all that on the other side. All of that was a toning. Yes, I believe the aluminum foil is the trick. This one came out alright. I have a third one. I only have 3. Do you see the mint mark? I mean the stamping? It's very... Yeah, it does actually work. Yeah, this is pretty good actually. I mean, it doesn't give you the super bright white, but it'll get you halfway. And let's throw the other one in there too. Let's see what we can do with this guy here. Oh yeah, look at that aluminum foil. Look at that smoke. I think I need new aluminum for this. Oh, sorry. Okay, get out of there. I don't want you under me while I'm doing this. I know you want to see. Just go over there. Yeah, this thing is fried. There's nothing left to that. So that's what's doing it. But it sure is cleaning the other one. The other one was black. Yeah, it's much better. Look at that. I'll take it. What I have to do is put a brand new aluminum, so the aluminums get burnt out. We have the cheap one, of course. I have a hand polish anyway, so I can continue to finish the finishing touch on these. This is years of tarnish, so, you know. Alright, that's the three. They're all resembling one another in brightness. Alright, so I gotta take this out. Look at this thing. It's like dead metal. Gotta get rid of it. Put a new one. Wow. Yeah. Alright guys, that was a good sample run. I hope you liked it. It does actually take a lot of the stuff off, so keep your aluminum clean, because that's what, I guess it took all the tarnishing. I'm going to redo these. I'll come up with a second video, so stick around. Peace. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got something out of cleaning Sterling. Later.